Got my little magnet, fishing magnet. It don't look like much, but it's supposed to hold 1,000 pounds. I got it stuck on a pole out here one day. I might have never got it loose. Had to pry it off with a crowbar. You wouldn't think a magnet could be that strong. But I need to fix my spigot over there. And I've been looking for this spigot handle for my frost-proof sailcock. Both of them need to be replaced. They leak. But I've been looking for this thing for a while, and I stuck a magnet down there just now and found it in short order. It was just down in the dirt. It's supposed to rain, so I thought I'd come out here and clean up my ash pile before it gets rained on. And we'll run the magnet across. I put a rag around it because I want to try to keep it clean. It's a brand new magnet. We can shovel up most of the nails with a rake and a shovel. But what's down in the dirt, we're going to give it a whirl with this magnet. Maybe get some of them up. It won't take me too long to clean this mess up. Sure don't want to stick it on that garbage can. I'll never get it back off. I didn't bring a rope, but I got a bungee cord to hold it up with. Probably won't be a whole lot of nails in here, but starting to hit on my head. We might have come out here just in time. Am I finding any nails? We'll know momentarily. Probably nails out here from 2 years ago. What's on here? Wow. 2 whole nails. Thought it'd be more than that. A lot of metal fragments, but they're not nails. There's one nail. It's been here a long time. Well, that's all I'm going to find. Maybe the lawnmower will be safe to drive across here. another nail right here. We found it. After it rains, maybe some of them will pop to the surface. As predicted, the rain has arrived. Temperatures dropped off. 60 degrees out here right now. Look at them heavy clouds coming in. Y'all keep your powder dry. This Pwalpar saying, have a good evening.